Guys, back at it with another video. In this video I'll be using the black tester to test for a blown head gasket on this 2010 Ford Mustang with the 4.0 V6 engine. This is the test fluid. That's a little thing to pressurize it, and that's the fill neck that will go in on top of the coolant tank. So I'm reading the instructions, first time using this, so yes, I am reading instructions. So right here I'm connecting the battery because this car has been staying in the driveway with the battery disconnected. Make sure to turn it on. You're gonna need it to be warmed up to operating temperature in order to test this properly. As you can see here, I'm opening up the test fluid. You're gonna fill up the test tube to a certain point on it. Make sure not to spill any of the test fluid, as you can use it for the future to diagnose other vehicles. Once you set it to the full line, make sure to properly set it in the coolant tank reservoir so that it doesn't fall. As you can see in the video, it's in there pretty good. You're going to want to make sure the vehicle is at operating temperature before doing this test. And in the beginning of the video you saw a hand pump, a little black one, that you're going to put on top of the test tube once it's at operating temperature to pressurize that test tube. And if it changes colors, then that means you have a blown head gasket, warped head, etc. As you can see here, the color did not change at all, so I'm going to be eliminating the blown head gasket from this car. I'll be leaving a link for this kit below. It works for gas and diesel and many makes and models.